Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my stir-fried noodles with vegetables and balls. Okay, so it sounds interesting. Well, let's just get on with it. Right, here I've got some ground meat. You can use chicken, turkey, beef, lamb, it doesn't matter. Put that into a bowl, around about half a tablespoon's worth of beef bouillon powder, a sprinkle of tomato powder if you can find it, which also works out really good, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of Chinese 5-spice, and a little bit of white pepper, right, just like that. Really simple. I'm also going to add in a little dash of onion powder, and I'm also going to add in a little sprinkle of garlic powder. Add the quantities that you want. I'm working on roughly around about half a teaspoon's worth of each product. Right, just mix all of that through. I'm using turkey mince in this recipe today, and it works out really nice. I'm using a little ice cream scoop, and I'm just going to scoop those out, and I'm not going to make these a really nice round ball. I'm going to leave some rough edges on there. It's going to help grab some of the sauce that we're going to be putting in this recipe. That's going into the oven 180 degrees around about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start making up our sauce. So here I've got about 3 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce. That's going to go in just like that. I'm going to add in probably around about 1 tablespoon's worth of soy, about 3 teaspoons worth of fish sauce that goes in. I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons worth of Golden Mountain seasoning. You can actually find that in some of your local Asian supermarkets. I'm also going to add in about 3 teaspoons worth of caster sugar and about 2 teaspoons worth of black vinegar, just to cut down on all of that salt, and also that sweetness. It just balances it out just that little bit. Every now and then a little bit of sourness will actually make a great sauce. Every now and then I'll quickly just check, make sure my seasoning is right and I'm happy with it. If you think it needs more salt or more sweet, add sugar, add honey, or add more soy. Right, a little bit of oil into our pan. I'm using a vegetable oil. I prefer to use a vegetable oil now when I do noodle. It just gives the noodle a different type of flavor. So we're just going to sear off our onion, which I've quarter cut nice and fine, just like that. And once they go translucent and you get a little bit of a char on there, you see a little bit of brownage happening, we can put those aside. Right, they're ready to go as they are. So let's remove those from the wok or your fry pan, and here I've got a little bit of cauliflower and broccoli. Now I'm just using a frozen version of this. As I said, this is a budget family meal that can be made any night of the week. It does not take very long at all. So you've got your meatballs cooking. We're already cooking this, right? And all we need to do, just leave that in the wok, and you don't have to stand over this all the time. You can just let it sit there, let it char up a little bit, let it get some flavor into it, and just give it a flip every now and then. As you can see on the left hand side, the meatballs are already done. I'm just taking my time cooking tonight, and if you haven't tried doing your own stir fry like this before, just a bit of a low and slow type deal, you don't know what you're missing. It's just really easy to do. It only takes you around about sort of 15 minutes or so. Alright, I'm going to take all of those out just like that, and Mrs. KP is already separating some noodles for me on the other side of the KP compound kitchen. Alright, a little bit more of vegetable oil. Mrs. KP is dumped my noodles in, and she's basically just followed the packet to a certain extent. She does have a slightly different way where she just pours hot water in and gives it a little bit of a stir with a couple of chopsticks, so they all stay nice and long and chewy, and I love that bit about these noodles. They got a really nice, sort of mouthfeel to them. I'm going to put those in, let them sit for a little bit, give them a flip. Now I'm going to add the balls in now to start getting those back up to temperature. Right, so they're my little turkey meatballs. As I said, you can use whatever meat that you like. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, those noodles are absolutely amazing. They're holding together beautifully. They're a flat rice noodle. So add everything else straight back into the wok, just like that. All our vegetables and all of our onion, and start stirring that around. As you can see, that noodle is really hanging in there. Mrs. KP did an exceptional job at getting our noodles right. A little bit more oil right straight over the top, just to lubricate everything and give everything a little bit of slippage between each other. And now we can start adding in our sauce. I'm just going to pour that over the top of my stirring utensil, just like that, so I get a nice even pour over the top of all of our ingredients, just like that. And this is it's not too salty, it's not too sweet, it's just right. It's a real Goldilocks type of sauce. Just give that all a bit of a flip through, just like I am doing right there. Really nice and simple, and we're going to take about 3 or 4 minutes to do this, and we can actually get ready to serve up. You can see the colours all of a sudden coming together just as we want, and nothing is stuck to the bottom. And there you go. I've served that up in a nice little consomme style bowl. And there you go, you've got KP's stir-fried noodles with vegetables and balls. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is quick, it is easy to do. And thank you so much for watching this video, I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment, I love reading, I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really quick, family-friendly meal, just like this one, where the kids will just love, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eating my certified noodles with vegetables and balls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.